Whoa, muscle man. All right, so what have we got here?
Human side, muscle side.
So this is the Pectoralis Major, which attaches here to the sternum. So there's a big bone right here, and then a tiny little one right here, which we always want to be really careful of. So this big muscle actually attaches over here. The bone in the arm is called the humerus. So if you think of the funny bone when you hit your elbow, then that will help you remember that this is the humerus for humor, the funny bone. That's what bone this one is right here. So the pectoralis minor here is this muscle usually gets really tight when we sit for long periods of time and we're at our desk. So pretend you're typing at your desk. This will pull the shoulder in, which tightens and it keeps it locked short. So opening up the chest, so do a big stretch for me. Open up the chest because those muscles get too tight and they pull the shoulders forward. The chest actually attaches inside this humerus bone. So insertion points and basically where the muscles start and stop are extremely important when understanding how the body moves, especially if your chest gets tight. So Lucas stretched earlier today and he heard a popping sound in his chest. So that's tight tissues and then moving when there's not a lot of fluid. So as these muscles move around each other, they lubricate and create fluid around them. So that's why warming up is so important, because we're bringing more blood to the area and we're bringing in a specific type of fluid that helps the muscles move around each other, since all of them lay on top of each other in all of these different ways. Cool? So those are the muscles that we use for doing a push-up. This is going to obviously run all the way across, but we're using the chest muscles and the shoulder muscles, but then these all attach up into the neck and face. So our whole body is connected as a unit. We're showing you them in pieces so you can start to understand parts of it, but the chest and bicep and back of the body, they work together to keep the balance within the system. So when you're sitting for long periods of time, you want to make sure, show me that stretch again, that you open up and stretch. We see animals do it, we do it. Always, 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 especially when you're done working for a little while or while you're working, open up the arms and stretch the body. So the pectoralis major and pectoralis minor, so the minor attaches onto the 3 ribs here. So we've got lots of ribs that come here, and then these 3 attachment points here are on the rib. So if you push on that area and it's tight or tender, then you need to massage it a little bit and just create more fluid with movement. And that will be really helpful to keeping the tissues healthy. What do you think? Good? Give me a thumbs up.
Bye.
Thumbs up. Bye.